Wahgwaaaaan YouTube, you don't know Shickaa Chung, and I'm back at it today with another vlog. In this series of vlogs, it's gonna be a week long of little stuff that I do before I go to Jamaica. So yes, I am going to Jamaica. By the time that you guys watch this video, I will be in Jamaica already. So yeah, but guys, today is Monday and I am leaving Sunday. And before I get more into the video, if you guys have not done already, subscribe. Make sure you like and make sure you comment. But anyways, guys, so yeah, today is Monday and I am leaving on Sunday for Jamaica. So I just have a bunch of stuff that I always do before I leave to Jamaica. So one thing I like to do, I like to make sure my room is clean. And since the new year has started, I haven't really done any cleaning yet. So I'm just trying to make sure that like certain things are just really clean. I like coming back from vacation and have a clean room. My bed and those type of stuff, that will be like on Saturday, but I'm trying to clean out my closet, so I'm dealing with that. I put a bunch of bags over there, and yeah, me just deal with that. And then I need to do my wax. As you guys know, this time the place is locked down, so I'm not gonna go to a place and do that. I actually bought a wax machine from Amazon, so I'm gonna try and do my own wax. I've done it before and it hurts. But I'm gonna try and do my own wax. I'm not gonna be doing my nails because, as I said, the place is locked down and I just don't feel like going to no one's house for them to do my nails right now. So I just go wait till me go to Jamaica and then I have to do my hair and all those things. So you guys are just gonna see what I'm gonna be doing in this week. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Guys, I just returned the swimsuit because it was too small, so I'm here trying to buy another one, but I'm so sad because the orange one that I wanted is sold out. So now I'm buying this blue one, and it's whatever. This was the one that I had before, but there's no more in my size, so I'm getting this blue one. And I'm so sad that I have to buy from Walmart. Walmart bathsuits are very expensive. I like buying it from other stores, but because COVID and the place is locked down, I have to buy in Walmart. So this is the whole section, but they have pretty ones at this location, so I'm not complaining. Guys, I'm finally done cleaning out this closet. I still have more stuff to do because I need to put like something for my makeup, because guys, I'm moving my room to in the basement, so I'm trying to sort out everything. So yeah, but I went on the road and I grabbed some stuff from the dollar store. But anyways, guys, when you guys are about to travel, don't you guys just always have like a bunch of stuff just lined up just in one corner, like for your traveling stuff? That always happens to me. My hair. But yes, guys, I just came from the road, so I'm just trying to easy up myself, my beard, and then a little later, like after 12, I'm gonna fill out my travel authorization form, because you can do it as far as 5 days before. So that's what I'm going to do. And yeah, and I'll show you guys what I do. Okay guys, so it is officially time to apply for my travel authorization. It is after 12. I like to do that 12 o'clock, like right when it's exactly 5 days. That's when I do it. I don't know, maybe I'm too excited. Don't you guys get excited when you guys are going somewhere? But yeah, this is a new step in preparation for Jamaica. So when I do this, I need to have my laptop and I need to have my passport. See, guys, and if you guys are wondering where I got my passport holder from, I got it from Amazon, and it's popping. There's like, comes with a passport, it comes with a pen, and it comes with like little slots for like if you have money or credit cards, and it has like SIM card holders, because you know when you got other countries sometimes you need SIM card though. So I'm just gonna log on to the website and then I'll show you guys what I am doing. So I am on visitjamaica.com. So let me bring you guys to the home page. So that's what pops up, and you just press find out more and apply. I'm coming from Canada, so these stuff up here, these warnings or whatever, do not apply to me. So I'm gonna go get my authorization here. Do you live in Jamaica? No, I live a foreign. And then up here it just tells you about that same warning. So I'm just gonna enter my email. So it sends a one-time password, so I just seen it come up on my phone. So what loads up is my previous stuff when I've landed, when I've done whatever. The last time I traveled when they first opened the border, and I traveled in October. So that's what those two are. So I'm gonna add new, and I'm just gonna add my information now. Your travel information. You have to put like when you intend on traveling and you intend on returning, airport code. So whatever. Me even realize I did have one at that airport. But whatever. Yeah. Any family members that are traveling with you, and that's what you basically do on this section. This is page 2. So this is okay. I missed a page, but the page before was just asking about COVID and have you ever been in contact with COVID, or if you ever work with anybody with COVID, and just health related questions. So now this is the intended stay information. So it's gonna ask you like if you're staying at a hotel, villa, apartment, guest house, private home. So I'm staying private home with my hubby, and you just fill these parts out. And I'm telling you guys, they want to know exactly where you're gonna stay, because every time I do this, you cannot move from the page without selecting exactly where on the map you're staying. So because me no want to know where me I go stay, me not gonna show you, but you cannot move off of this page unless you select where you're staying. Now the next page, this is funny. We can't even do this. So we don't know what they want to show people at party. But anyways, guys, this is just a consent. So you have to acknowledge that you would have to pay for COVID-19 tests, any medical service, hospital, medical transportation, medical evacuation, quarantine, and yeah, health screening, risk assessment, testing, quarantine, isolation, testing for COVID, quarantine, isolation, governing laws, consent, of course, Wahgwaaaaan, of course, and declaration. So yes, I'm declaring everything. So the next form, I'm not gonna show you guys, but it's literally a quarantine order, and I have to sign it. It's gonna have my information and stuff like that. So that's what I'm gonna sign right now. So the next part would just be like immigration and customs card. The same thing like what you would fill out when you're on the airplane. So I'm just gonna be filling out those things right now as well. Although I don't see why they're telling me to do it, because it doesn't make a difference, but because you still have to do it on the plane. But yeah, this is what I'm gonna fill out now. Okay, so after that, the application has been submitted for me to get processed, and I already got the email before I turned on this camera, and I'm obviously approved. So what I would like to go ahead and do is screenshot the barcode, because it gives you a barcode that you have to bring to the airport, actually from Canada or from wherever you're departing from, and you have to show it to them. So yeah, that's all I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna screenshot it, have it in my phone, favorite it so it's nearby. You could also print it out, but I'd rather just have it in my phone because I don't want to walk with no loose paper. But yes, that was the application process. Very quick, very fast. So yeah, guys, that was so easy, so simple. So it's bedtime, although me know so me not fall asleep for now. But anyways, guys, I will check you back tomorrow, which is Tuesday, so we can continue this week preparation for Jamaica. I should show you guys the stuff that I bought for my little people, my little minions in Jamaica. But yeah, my niece and my nephew, them, I should show you guys what I bought, but I didn't get to show you guys. But anyways, when you guys see me do my packing vlog, then you guys will eventually see it. So yes, guys, good night. See you in the next clip.